I, an HR manager in a company, often got worked up with the employees' late arrival and early leaving on, and from the duty coupled with frequent half-days and sudden leaves taken by them. Then one day one of my friends mentioned to me about time attendance software, which was not just a run-of-the-mill software, but beyond that, with more than 300 reports. I never would have thought in the deepest of my imaginations that I would come across a world of utilities, facilities, and possibilities vis-a-vis corporate governance. The nitty-gritty of the software prepared by Secure, a security solutions company of international repute, left me utterly awestruck. Time attendance software can work simultaneously from multiple offices of a company, irrespective of their locations. It can work specifically for different employees of different departments, designations, and grades. Various criteria and conditions define a group, and generally, when we slot in an employee in a specific group, then all the criteria applied on the group get applied on the employee. This software allows us to have group-wise master configurations, like shift group, employee group, holiday group, leave group, access role, etc. An integrated feature of flexible shift management enhances the level of its utility for any organization by several notches. While the feature, namely auto shift, applies shift for the employee as per his arrival at the office for the day, shift roster is prepared as per the allotment of shift to an employee for a certain time period. Shift rescheduling can also be made through the software in the shift roster to alter and adjust different employee shifts for a specific period. My friend said that ONtime supported multiple devices, which is a massive feature in itself. Punch can be downloaded through various ways, and different biometric machines in real time, whether it's standalone biometric machine, IP-based biometric machines, cloud-based biometric machines, or ONtime Employee Manager, or you can download it from ONtime software itself, and definitely, it can be downloaded from a pen drive as well. You can download attendance of employees from the existing device. You have device administration requisites also. You can back up and restore finger details, or card details. Delete them. Upload the name into device. Set device time, and delete punch. You also enjoy options to enter manual punch, and modify existing punch. You can do all of this from the biometric machines, which are in the same network, as well as from biometric machines in other networks at faraway locations. Utilities galore, you name one, you have it. You can import employee list from the CSV file, you can import employee list from the device, and you can even import punches from the text file. User-wise access permission to have access to menu and buttons, and master permission to have access to a definite company, branch, department, etc. A hugely useful option of bulk update, to update numerous employees' information at one go. Auto report scheduler, to send one or several reports to selected users automatically via email, and SMS alerts on employees' real-time attendance, or on different situations, like absent, on leave, or on duty, are the features which make this application immensely helpful. My friend went on, continuing with one feature after another. Time attendance software has embedded time calculations and attendance policies for multiple offices, which cover your entire requirement related to management of attendance. Features like rejection of multiple punches within certain time period make this innovation so appropriate. If an employee is found as absent before and after any weekly off, then he is treated as absent on that weekly off as well. Likewise, if an employee is found as absent before and after any holiday, then he is treated as absent on that holiday as well. Multiple formulae are available for overtime calculation, and simultaneously many options to specify minimum working period for overtime eligibility. Different time periods have been defined simply, like early arrival, early departure, late departure, etc. deduction of multiple break durations, and shift break durations from exact working hours, to extract real working hours, for an employee has been elucidated. Minimum working criteria for full day and half day present absent status, weekly off or holiday eligibility, late arrival, and early departure, penalty options, beyond allowed time period, marking of an employee as full day or half day absent, due to continuous late or monthly late arrival, beyond total late allowed days, have been specified clearly. Marking of an employee as present, even without punch, acknowledgement of overtime, if he works on weekly off or holiday, and specified period range, to accept any punch and night shift, have been ingrained on uncertain terms. Presence and acknowledgement of flexible auto shift in critical situations is another added dimension to the attendance policies here. When I thought that it was the end, my friend added a bunch of diverse reports among the features. You can get a horde of reports through this application, based on multiple filtration criteria, like punch reports in multiple formats, monthly attendance report in multiple formats, daily attendance report in multiple formats, salary reports in multiple formats, punch with device name, present absent on duty employees list, late arrival, late departure, early arrival, early departure, employees list, time loss, and overtime reports. Muster roll. Performance register. Form number 25. Form number 12. Graph reports. Past and new joining employees info report. Pay slip, paid salary, projected salary, master reports of every type. Memo report. Percentage report. Leave and on-duty reports, in multiple formats, and custom reports, making the total number of reports, in various categories, and on various criteria over 300, which is nothing less than staggering. What more, a purposeful addition of various template, layout configurations for memo, email, SMS, and custom report helps Office functioning in a big way. Also, customization of all types is a reality here, whether it's SAP integration, ERP integration, CRM integration or others. The software has a huge value, with the video tutorial help noted and aligned with it. You don't need any internet connection, or need to call anyone for support, if you are stuck somewhere, during working with ONtime. Just click on Video Help, available on the screen, and it will sail you through. So much so that even I, the HR manager, leave the company. Video Help will make the job extremely easier for the new manager, with all the details and database stored in the software. Today I have ONtime SQL Express 2005 or above, SQL Server 2005 or above, MS Access or Oracle 11G supported software entrenched and aligned with the functioning of my office, and resultantly, corporate governance has taken a different meaning at my workplace and from my workforce.